Hello everyone, good morning. I hope all of you are good and I am also fine. So today I will take one class for mathematics from class 9 and the topics is the chapter is triangles and its angle, okay, from geometry sections. And this class is the first class, so it is I write the topics is here introduction, okay. So what is triangle? What is the what are the different types of triangle in different bases, and what are the different formulas and corollary are there? We will start from the zero level, okay. From the zero we will start, okay. So if you follow my this video and this lecture, then anyone who does not know anything about triangles, he may be the master of triangles, okay. So let's try. Now first, what is triangle? So what is triangle? Triangle is definition क्या है उसका? How can I define triangle? Okay. So any a plane figure bounded by three lines. Bounded by three lines. Okay, in a plane, bounded by three lines in a plane. In a plane is called triangle. Okay. So let me draw a triangles. Suppose A, B, C. This one is A and this one is B and this one is C. A, B, C is a triangle. Why? A plane figure bounded by three lines. This one is the plane figure. Okay, this one is plane figure bounded by three lines. What are the lines? These are the three lines. Okay, in a plane. This one is one plane. You may take this one is y-axis and this one is x-axis, right? So this one is plane, and in the plane, one figure is ABC, and this plane is known as triangle because this plane is bounded by three lines. The lines are AB, BC and CA. Here we can say here AB, BC and CA are the three lines or arms or sides of triangle. Sides of triangle ABC, okay. So these sides, these lines we can say the arms or sides of triangle ABC, okay. So here another is thing, this one is one angle and this one is one angle, this one is one angle, and this angle are known as vertices. Here again angle ABC, this angle and this angle and this angle, okay. ABC and angle BCA and angle BAC are the vertices of triangle ABC. All of you know that the symbol of triangle is what? Symbol of triangle is this one, is not it? This one. So when I write triangle, we can write spelling triangle, or you can give the triangle symbol. So we already know what is triangle and what it's have actually. So a plane figure bounded by three lines is known as triangles, okay. This is the only plane figure bounded by three lines AB, BC and CA, okay, and called triangles. So here AB, BC, CA are the three lines, or they are called as arms or sides of triangle ABC, okay, right. Now again is this angle, this one is one angle, we know, this one is another angle, this one is another angle. So there are three angles are there in a triangle. So angle ABC, ABC means which angle? This angle ABC, middle part is the angle, okay. and BCA, this angle, and BAC, this one, okay, are the three vertices of a triangle ABC. Okay, so this is the basic fundamental of triangle, and this triangle is denoted by the symbol this one, delta. So take a screenshot. Whenever you watch my lecture, I always try to keep paper and pen and paper and try to write in the paper and in the copy. Okay, it will be feel you. I am not in the virtual, you take in physically class. Okay, so next, now we will study how many types of triangles are there, or for on the basis of what we can divide triangles or classify triangles, right? Okay, next, now types of triangle. So how can I classify? Triangle can be classified in two ways, on the basis of their sides, on the basis of their angles. Okay, so triangles are classified in two ways, on the basis of their what? Number one, sides, and number two, angles. Okay, so triangles are classified or divided into two categories on the basis of their sides or arms, that means length of the sides or arms, and the angles, measurement of angles. Okay, so let's try. Now we will study, or we will learn types of triangles on the basis of their sides. Now, types of triangles on the basis of their length or sides. Okay, fine. So number one is scalene triangle. The scalene triangle are those one, a triangle no two sides, a triangle, okay, whose all sides are different, or we can say whose no two sides are equal. Okay, whose no two sides are equal, called what? Called scalene triangle. Okay, so let me take one example here. Suppose this one is one triangle. I wrote in different colors. Okay, suppose, see, this one is one triangle. Okay, A, B, C, and all the sides are equal. Suppose this one is 3 centimeter, this one is 4 centimeter, and this one is 5 centimeter. So all the sides are unequal. No, all the sides are unequal, are not equal. Two sides are not equal or unequal. So I take one triangle ABC, whose sides are different. AB is 3 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter, and AC is 5 centimeter. So if all the sides are equal, then we can say this triangle are scalene triangles. And we can say that in this also, this one also a scalene triangle. Suppose this one this one and this one. Okay, this is suppose 7 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, and this is 2 centimeters. Suppose I just consider, I don't know what it is, but I just consider this is the triangles. Okay, you can say this is 2.5 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter. So this is another triangle DEF, and here also all the sides are unequal. There is no two sides are equal. So in that case, we can say this type of triangles are scalene triangles. So what we learn here in the types of triangles on the basis of their length. Number one is scalene triangle. Sir, scalene triangle are those one in which there is no two sides are equal in their length or sides. Okay, all the sides, all the lengths of the triangle will be different in length, different in measurement. Okay, got it? Okay, fine. Take a screenshot here. So next we learn the next type. So next one is isosceles triangles. Number 2, isosceles triangles. So isosceles triangles are those one in which two sides are equal. A triangle or triangles in which two sides are equals. Okay, so a triangles whose two sides are equals. Any two sides, whose any two sides of three sides, any two sides are equal, called isosceles triangle. Called isosceles triangles. So let's take some examples here. Suppose this one is one triangle. Okay, fine. This one is A and this one is B and this one is C. The length this one and this one are equal. Suppose this one is 5 centimeter and this one is 5 centimeter, and I take this one is 6 centimeter. So two sides. Here what? Here AB equal to AC equal to 5 centimeter, right? So since the two sides are equal, so this triangle are isosceles triangle. And take another examples also. Suppose this one is 4 centimeter, this one is 4 centimeter, and this one is, I don't know what it will be, 4 or 2. There is suppose 6.2 centimeter. DEF. Okay. So this one also a isosceles triangles. Okay. Whose two sides are equal. Here DE equal to EF. DE equal to EF equal to how much? 4 centimeter. Right. So these are the two isosceles triangles. So all of you got it. So what we learn up to that much? We learn what is triangles, and then we learn that there are two types of triangles. Triangles can be classified in two categories. That is, one is on the basis of their sides, and another is on the basis of their angles. So we first discuss the types of triangles on the basis of their length or sides. So first we learn what is scalene triangles. Now we learn what is isosceles triangles. In scalene triangle, two sides are equal, but in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Okay, that much clear. Take a screenshot here. So the third one is equilateral triangle. Okay, the third one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangles. Are you enjoying this class? Okay, let's try. Let's try to understand what is when a triangle we call equilateral triangle. So a triangle in which all the sides are equal. Okay, all the sides are equal, are called equilateral triangle. So a triangle whose all the three sides or length are equal. Okay, equal or equal to each other. Equal, we can say equal or equal to each other. Equal or equal to each other. Okay, got it? So, sir, as equilateral triangle are those one in which all the sides of the triangles are equal. Okay, so let's take one example here. Suppose this one is one and this one is one triangle. Okay, this one is A, B and C. A, B, C are the vertex. So these are the vertex of the triangles or angles of the triangles. So A, B, C are what? A, B, C are the vertex of triangle ABC, and this is for all triangles, all type of triangles. Okay, so A, B, C are the vertex and angle, this one is angle A, angle B, angle C are the cones. So here I take this one is 5 centimeters, sir, this one is also 5 and this one is also 5. So all the sides here AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to how much, sir? I take all the triangles, sir, 5 centimeters. So we can say in that case what this triangle is equilateral triangles. So equilateral triangles are those one in which all the sides or all the arms or all the lengths of the triangles are equal. Okay, so understood? So we already complete the portion types of triangles on the basis of their length, right? So we learn what is isosceles triangles, what is scalene triangles and what is equilateral triangles. Now we will study or learn about the types of triangles or classification of triangles on the basis of their angles. Okay, so let's try. So now we will study the types of triangles on the basis of their angles. Okay, so first one is acute angle. Okay, so first one is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangles. So what is acute angle triangle, sir? A triangle, each of whose angle is acute. So a triangle each of whose angles is acute is called what? Is called acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Okay, so a triangle each of whose means all the angles of the triangle will be acute. So a triangle in which all the angles, that is there are three angles are there, we know that this angle A, angle B, angle C, three angles. So all the angles of the triangle will be in acute. So those students who don't know what is acute angle, so let me discuss about it. Acute angle are those angle which is more than 0 and less than 90. So I write here acute angle means an angle, short note right here, an angle which is more than 0 degree, more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree, right? So a triangle we can write 0 degree acute angle. In that scenario also mathematically we can write acute angle, that is from 1 degree to 89 degree is known as acute angles. Okay, So we learn a triangle, each of whose angle is acute angle. That means acute angle means a angle which is less than 90 degree but more than 0 degree. So let's try give one example here. Suppose this one is one triangle, sir. Fine, ABC. This angle is suppose 80 degree. This angle is suppose 70 degree, and this angle is 30 degree. Okay. Here, look at here. All the angles are in less than 90 degree. 80 is less than 90, 70 is less than 90, and 30 is less than 90. Okay. So all the angles are in this kind of acute angles. That's why here angle A, angle B, angle C are acute angle. Okay, acute angle. So triangle ABC is a key angle, is a acute triangle. We can say acute triangle since all the angles are here acute. Okay. So acute angle is what, sir? Acute angle triangle. A triangle, each of whose angle is acute, is called acute angle triangle, right? So I take one example here. A, B, C. This one is A is 80 and B is 70 and C is 30 degree. So A, B, C are all acute angles since they are lies between 0 degree to 90 degree. Okay, in between 0 degree to 90 degree. That's why this angle are known as acute angles. So we can say triangle ABC is an acute angle triangle. Okay. So first one is complete. Okay. Understood all of you? Take a screenshot. So next. So second category, the second types is right angle triangle. So what is right angle triangle, sir? A triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. One angle is 90 degree. That is right angle. One angle is 90 degree means right angle, and others are acute angles. Okay, is called a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay. So a triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. So right angle is what? Right angle means, I write short note here. Right angle means an angle which is what? Which is 90 degree. ठीक है? Okay. An angle which is 90 degree is called right angle. So a triangle in which one angle, among the three angles, one angle must be 90 degree and other three angles will be less than 90. That means other angles will be acute angle. Okay. So others angle will be acute angle. So let's draw a figure. Suppose this one is one triangle and this angle is 90 degree. This one is A, this one is B, and this one is C. Right? And this one is suppose 60 degree and this one is 30 degree. I take. So here angle B is 90 degree, that is right angle, and other two A and C are acute angles. Okay. So here we can say here angle B is 90 degree, that is right angle, and angle A comma angle C are acute angles. ठीक है सर? Right? Okay. Acute angles. So we can say triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Is not a right angle triangle. Okay. This one is one example. We can say, you can take another example. in that also. Suppose this one and this one is 90 degree, this one is 45 and this one is 45. Okay, this one is A and this one is B and this one is C. So DEF, I give here DEF and DEF also, triangle DEF also a right angle triangle. Okay, so triangle DEF also a right angle triangle. Fine, complete this much. Okay, very good. Okay, take a screenshot here. So let me explain again. This one is one angle 90 degree, here D is 90 degree, so that's why this angle DEF also a right angle triangle. Okay, so next part. So the next one, that is the last one, the last type is acute angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangles. So this is the last part of basis on the angles, types of triangles on the basis of the angles. So what is obtuse angle? A triangle whose one angle is obtuse. Sir, what is obtuse? What is this? What? So obtuse means one angle will be what? One angle will be 90 to 0 degree. Sorry, 90 to 180. An angle of obtuse means an angle that is, I write here, that is one angle is, I write here 190 to 180 angles and 180. Okay, an angle, a triangle holds one angle is obtuse. There is one angle is more than 90 and other towards acute. Okay, and other towards and others are acute, that is less than 90, is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so a triangle whose one angle is obtuse, that is one obtuse means a angle which is more than 90 but less than 180, that is 91 to 179. Okay, these types of triangle are known as acute obtuse angle triangles, and the other triangle angles will be less than 90. So obtuse is what? I write here one short note: obtuse, an angle which is less than 180 but more than what? 90 degree, called obtuse angle. Okay, I give a short note here. If those one don't know what is obtuse angle, then obtuse angle explanation I already given here. Okay, so let's take one example here. Suppose this one, this one is one triangle A, B, C, and this is more than 90. Suppose this one is 110, this one is 50, and this one is 20. Okay, so triangle here, angle B is obtuse, angle and angle C, angle A are acute. Okay, so we can say therefore triangle ABC is a obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so these are the basic parts of a triangle, right? So what we learn here, obtuse angle triangle is a triangle whose angle is obtuse, that is which is more than 90 but less than 180 degree. Okay, remind it. And what is obtuse angle, sir? There is one more than 90 and one is less than 90. Is called obtuse angle triangle. And I take one example here, triangle ABC, in which angle B is 110, and that is it is obtuse angle. Angle A and angle C are 20 and 50, that is they are acute angle. So we can say triangle ABC is a obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so what we learn? We learn all the basic parts of a triangle. If you don't know about triangles from the basic parts or introduction parts in the previous class, and after this after watching this lecture you will so after watching this class you will start to love these chapters, geometry in mathematics or triangles. Okay, some few of student of my class, they ask me always, so sir, triangle is so hard, triangle geometry portions, in geometry portion triangles are parallelograms are so hard. Actually not like that. If you know the triangles from the basic parts, from the roots parts or from the foundation parts, and all the materials, all the topics of from the geometry part will be so simple. Okay, so what we learn, let me revise in 5 seconds. First we learn what is triangle, sir. Then we learn the types of triangles. Okay, so in triangles we learn there are 3 vertices, 3 angles and 3 sides are there. Now next we learn the classification of triangles in 2 categories. This first category is on the basis of the length. The basis of the length, there are 3 triangles: isosceles triangles, equilateral triangles and Kähler triangles. Okay, next we study the types of triangles on the basis of the angles, and there are also 3 types. Number 1 is acute angle triangles. Number 2 is a triangle whose one angle is acute is known as acute triangle. Then we learn right angle triangle, that is a triangle whose one angle is right angle, that is one angle must be 90 degree. Okay, then we learn the obtuse angle triangles. Okay, so a triangle whose one angle is obtuse, that is one angle must be more than 90 and less than 180. So these are the basic or foundation of a triangle. So if you watch this again and again, then you will be master in triangles. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.